Welcome back to Codex People. In today's video, we're going to build an advanced multiplication table using Python. First, we create a function called multiplication_table, which takes two parameters, number and upto. This function generates and displays the multiplication table of a given number up to the specified range. It starts by printing a title showing which numbers table will be displayed and the range limit. Then, it uses a for loop to iterate from 1 up to the given range. In each iteration, it multiplies the number by the current loop value and prints the result in a formatted way. Finally, it prints a separator line to make the output cleaner and easier to read. Next, we create a function called get_number, which takes one parameter, prompt. This function safely gets a valid integer input from the user. It uses a while loop to keep asking until the user enters a valid number. Inside a try block, it attempts to convert the input to an integer using int. If the input is invalid, a value error occurs, and the except block prints a message asking the user to enter a valid integer. Once a correct number is entered, the function returns the integer value. Now we reach the main part of the program. Next, we print a welcome message, welcome to the advanced multiplication table program. Then we start a while true loop, which allows the user to generate multiplication tables multiple times. Inside the loop, we call get_number to get the number for which the multiplication table will be created. We call get_number again to ask up to which range the table should be printed. Then, we call multiplication_table, passing the number and range as arguments. This function prints the multiplication table on the screen. After displaying the table, we ask the user, do you want to print another table? If the user types yes, the loop continues. If the user types anything else, the program prints a thank you message and exits. And that's it, our advanced multiplication table program is complete. When we run the code, it displays the welcome message. It asks for a number, we input 5. Next, it asks for the range up to which we want the table, we input 10. The program prints the multiplication table for 5 up to 10. It asks if we want to print another table, we input yes. Next, it asks for a number, we input 10. Then, it asks for the range, we input 20. The program prints the multiplication table for 10 up to 20. Finally, it asks if we want to continue, we input no. The program ends with a friendly goodbye, thanks for using the multiplication table program. Goodbye. Level up your coding. Like, comment, share, and follow Codex People for more Python tricks.